Hello, my old school soul food family. Hey, I'm going to do a quick video. Y'all know I'm doing my mama's birthday month, which was mine the first half. I'm doing hers the second half. Favorite recipes. I did this before. I think I did it in the deep fryer. I'm going to do some fried chicken backs, y'all. These are my mom's favorite, but y'all know it's mine too. I should do these for me, but I'm saving them from her. This is the favorite part of the chicken we used to get. My mom used to cut the chicken in so many pieces, and the way she cut it, he had this chicken back left over. And this is the best part of the chicken. You have them little, we call them chicken oysters up in here. You got this little part for the tail, and a little, it is awesome piece of chicken. So this is what I'm going to fry. I'm going to fry it in the cast iron skillet. I got my chicken already seasoned up. And I got about 10 of these things to do. Because 10, you think 10 pieces of chicken, it's not really a lot of meat on them. A lot of meat on this stuff. So that's why I'm doing 10. It's not really a lot of meat at all. So I got the oil heating up. Do my little shake it up there. And put the chicken right in here and let it fry off. And can't go wrong with fried chicken backs, y'all. I think I'll be able to get like four in the skillet here. Let's get one more in here. And I'm going to kind of sear them off there, and I'm going to kind of put them on a rack and finish them in the oven so they don't take so long to cook. And I got a few more here to add to it, y'all. A few more here to add to it. And that's it. Wash my hands here. And I will be right back here, y'all, when I turn them over and start the next one. Like I said, this don't take long at all to cook. Good old fried chicken back. This is my favorite part of the chicken, and definitely my mom's favorite part of the chicken too. Y'all can have the thighs, legs, wings, and breast. Just give me the chicken backs. All right, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Okay, we're gonna flip the chicken over here. See how golden brown that is? Oh yeah, nothing like fried chicken backs, y'all. Don't get no better than fried chicken backs. Look at that. Bring back memories, y'all. And I'm lucky I can find chicken backs here in the Houston area. HEB has them, and then there's a meat market. Couple of meat markets here that always have them. Of course, they frozen because, you know, people don't buy chicken backs that much, so they just package them up, and after they cut the chickens up, and they freeze them. I guess a lot of people use it for stocks or whatever, but no, this is what I do with mine. I take them and fry them, and eat them with some hot sauce and some light bread. That's white bread. People don't know what light bread is. Light bread is what we call regular sliced white bread growing up. So anyway, I'm going to cook these off. I got 4 more over there on the plate, as you can see, need to be cooked off. When I get them all cooked up, I'm going to put them in the oven and cook them off a couple more minutes, make sure they completely cook through. And we're going to come back and sample them. We'll be right back. Okay, we back, y'all. The chicken is ready and cooked here. I actually finished it in the oven. Finished it actually in the oven there. Look at that. Nice chicken backs, y'all. Nice and crispy and delicious, y'all. Can't go wrong with chicken backs. Like I say, this is definitely old school right here, y'all. This is definitely old school. A lot of people don't even know about the backs of the chicken. So anyway, let me try one out here. Stick that over there. Put one on a small plate here. Move the camera over this way. See here. We're gonna try this out here. Y'all know I love me some hot sauce on mine. I got me some Crystal hot sauce. This way I eat mine. Put some hot sauce on there. And that's it, y'all. This is hot, so I can't really pick it up. I like the I like the egg pieces. Let me show y'all. This piece You got meat in there sometimes. You got meat up in there. It's just flavor to the bone. That's what it is. I guess it's called has so much flavor. The meat is close to the bone. Like I say, I used to eat, of course, there's only one back to a chicken growing up. So we used to, like I say, fight over the back. As I grew up and found out you can buy a chicken back, I could eat 4 or 5 in a sitting. Because there's not that many chicken, not that much meat on it. So, anyway, it's one of my mom's favorites. And my favorites too. Old school fried chicken back. So, anyway, some of y'all don't understand. So, why this guy making chicken back, chicken bone? It's flavor. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Well, I'm going to close this video. Like I close every video, please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year is help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. See y'all next video. Love y'all. Bye.